Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Saif Education Wala and the student of Rehan College, and I'm here today with new topic, and that is the role of creativity in problem solving. So I want to discuss this topic with ChatGPT, and you must stay with us, and let's start this topic with ChatGPT. Assalamualaikum ChatGPT, how are you?
Wa alaikum assalam. I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you feeling today?
I'm also good, and ChatGPT today I would like to discuss an important topic with
Sure.
you, and that is the role of creativity in problem solving. Are you ready for this discussion?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
Creativity is like the
so
spark.
first of all, what does creativity mean? Because there is a terminology is used in this topic, and that is creativity. So, what does it mean?
hmm Creativity in this context means bringing up new ideas, perspectives, or approaches when the usual ways don't quite work. It's less about being artistic and more about breaking mental patterns to see a problem differently.
Okay, so ChatGPT, what is problem solving? Because in the term is used problem solving. So what is problem solving?
Yeah, problem solving is the process of identifying an issue, understanding it clearly, generating possible solutions, testing or comparing them, and then choosing the one that works best. Creativity often fuels that process, helping you invent options you might not see otherwise.
Okay, so the next question that I am going to ask you is why is creativity important in problem solving?
Creativity matters because many problems don't have a single obvious answer. Creative thinking helps creative thinking helps shift stuck situations. It opens alternative paths, reduces blind spots, and can turn constraints into opportunities.
Because does creativity only matter in art and writing?
Not at all. Beyond poetry, it's vital in science. Imagine designing experiments in business, like finding fresh ways to serve customers, or even everyday life, like planning cheaper meal options. Creativity is a general tool, not limited to the arts.
Can you give me a simple example?
Sure, say your fridge is nearly empty. Instead of giving up and ordering out, you creatively combine what's left, maybe rice, an egg, and some veggies, turning scarce ingredients into a decent meal.
Okay, so creativity can help teach us solve educational problems.
For sure. Like if a student struggles with long textbook chapters, a teacher might use visuals, real life examples, or short projects instead of just lecturing. That creative shift can make learning click.
Right.
Yeah,
And is creativity something people are born with, or can it be learned?
that's a classic one. Some people show an early knack for it, but creativity is definitely something you can strengthen. Practice questioning assumptions, try small experiments, expose yourself to different fields. It's kind of like a muscle. The more you use it, the more it grows.
Okay, so ChatGPT, the next question that I'm going to ask you is that how can someone become more creative?
A few practical moves: step outside your routine, read or watch things outside your field and give yourself small constraints to spark new approaches. Also, collaborate. Other people's perspectives can shake loose ideas you didn't know you were missing.
Right, and why mistakes important for creativity?
Mistakes show you what doesn't work, and that narrows and clarifies what might work. Treat them as feedback, not failures. Each one is a clue that helps you adjust, try a different angle, and sometimes invent something better.
And does fear of failure reduce creativity?
Fear tends to shrink. Um, uh, yeah, fear tends to shrink risk taking. And since creativity needs a bit of risk, it can box thinking in.
And how can we
But when
overcome that fear?
small, safe experiments help, start with bite sized risks, low stakes trials, and get comfortable with good enough drafts instead of aiming for perfect. That mindset shift keeps curiosity alive while muting that fear voice.
Okay, so what is brainstorming?
Mm. Brainstorming is a creativity technique where you or a group dump out lots of ideas without judging them. Then you sift and pick the most useful ones.
Yeah, and why is brainstorming useful for us?
It's useful because it widens the solution pool quickly. You escape the first idea trap. Later, you refine instead of staring at a blank page.
And should we choose the first solution that comes to mind?
Usually, no. Pause long enough to at least consider a couple alternatives. The first idea is often the obvious one, not the strongest one. Give yourself a moment to beat before committing.
Okay, ChatGPT, I'm going to ask the last two questions, and the one is what is the
Sure.
biggest mistake people make when solving problems?
Checking. One big mistake is jumping to a solution before understanding the problem. That leads to fixing the wrong thing really well, which doesn't help. Spend a beat defining the issue and gathering information.
So, what is the most important lesson about creativity and problem solving?
Hmm. I'd say stay curious, define the problem clearly, then explore many paths without fear of missteps. The combination turns problems into opportunities.
And the last question: should we understand the problem before looking for solutions?
Absolutely. If you don't understand it, you might solve the wrong thing. Clarify the goal, the constraints, and who it's for first. Then think solutions. That order saves time and frustration.
And thank you,
Shall
ChatGPT. This was a very interesting and useful discussion. And
You're
I'm
welcome.
thankful to you that you share insightful thoughts with the viewers. And I'm also thankful to the viewers who see this video. And at last, I do one request. And it is please share the video, like the video, and must share your opinion in the comment section about this topic. And if God willing, we will meet again in the next video, next conversation with a new topic. So thank you so much, all of you. Take care.